when you're going down, pull and then go again. And...
What's up, Mia? Hang it out. What are you doing? Still at it. Gracias. Hi, sleepyheads. You said comfortable. You were right in the middle of us. It was perfect. I didn't think it was cold. I think tonight I'm gonna sleep without my jacket. You ready to go on a bike ride? You guys ready to ride, boys? Yeah. Shut off. That's why I don't want to go up that hill. Let's go back. What the fuck? I didn't just stressed it out. I'm too fucking heavy for this shit. Uphill. A regular clutch. It's just not running right. It fucked up. I think it was because I was heavy, full, honestly. There you go. Where?
Come on a tree and we'll fly that way.
I see it.
Way over there, it's barely moving around the backside.
Hey, that shit made it up the hill?
Yeah.
How?
I think because I'm lighter.
Yeah, him for sure.
I don't like that. It was still going.
This one I had a zigzag.
It started getting to a point, huh?
Because I slowed down because of that car too and shit.
Yeah.
The fucking the razor and shit. So I slowed down. Ahí valió verga, so I had to fucking take it off fucking slow and shit.
Yeah, I could feel this one was it was heavy on this one too, but
I
just
when
tried
I
it
came
now.
in the morning, see like you saw, it went all the way up. It slowed down, but it was still, I could feel the power still going.
There's another one, look.
That's a crow, I think.
Crow's not that big.
Crow?
Yeah, there is big crows out here though. Huge.
Huge. So I did in the morning. I went fast around the corner and boom, subió hasta arriba. I trust this one more though, from either of those, dude, porque la brecas.
Dipping.
Just hissing, food. Unless you're tired. Probably, still
No.
fucking burning.
Oh shit, let's go.
What is it?
It's a nail.
Where?
Right here.
Holy shit, it's a big ass nail.
Let's go back down. Oh my god. Dude, that shit was flat. Yeah. You got the thing?
It's in where my driver's door is at, right behind the back seat, right there.
Further out, dude, and then back in. I heard it.
There you go. Oh, there it goes. Oh! Bro, I wonder if I got that on video. Oh, that hit too hard. That's you, Dallas. That's you, Elia. Oh, good job. Good job. What? Oh, that was such a good one. Dude. It's because the wind was going like that. Oh, 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 yeah. Go. Oh. I tried to hit it. Throw it.
It's a 3-on-3.
Oh, I got it right there.
No, I threw my stick at it. I was like, it went way over us, and I went like this. I threw the whole stick at it.
Well, hey, you guys want to play like that? You get a section, you get a section, I'll get a section, or you want to play like this?
She gets the front, and we'll get the back.
Yeah. Hola, wherever that's the street, don't go behind you.
Alaya, this is your area, the whole front.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, I barely missed it. Both of you guys missed it. Alaya, that's you. Oh, almost. Oh, here, Fern. Oh, shit. I guess I alley-ooped it. Can't hit it too hard. Yep, perfect. That was perfect. Oh, that's too hard. Dallas. Oh, I got it. Oh, perfect. Oh, you barely missed it. What the heck?
She was aiming at the middle one y le pegó aquel.
No way. What?
Well, let me try.
Maybe we should try that. Stick and oh my god, fool, chill.
I was aiming at the stick.
What the fuck?
What the fuck, Audrey? Oh my god, dude. How? What the fuck is going on? This is embarrassing. What the fuck, Audrey? Yeah. Yeah! I did the same thing. I did the same thing. Ya se le quitó. Go, just go! 2, 1. Oh! Yeah.
I already did.
No, you did. I didn't see it. Damn. 2, 1. 6. Oh, a liar. I thought you were really good. Oh. just walk across. Oh. Yeah. You hit yourself? Oh. Wow, all the way, your head. Jump in. Your head.
On the next one.
Oh, dude, just jump in already.
I found love in the strangest places where all is meant to be.